Still no blizzard or ice storm. There's still a puddle full of water. We shall see. I'm blogging about whether or not there's going to be a blizzard or a snowstorm.
You gotta be careful going to work Monday.
Why?
Because they're saying that, like, because of it, there's gonna be a high chance of ice Monday. Northwest Georgia is in the red for major. From 1 a.m. to 7 a.m.
Heck yeah. There's ice warnings for Monday. So it was 34 degrees. No snow, no ice. We shall see. So the ice storm hasn't came yet. It's currently 38 degrees, 12:21. We are waiting. I'm waiting for the ice storm to come, and I'm vlogging it so that way when it does come, I have documentation. Or when it.
Good luck, champ, because you don't know how it is living here.
Yeah, and then when it doesn't come, I also have documentation of that. Update number or something about the winter storm. We have our window open. Again, no snow. Only rain. I could be a weather person, honestly. There's people coming to the fucking driveway. The people came to the driveway. Alright, to be fair, it is 23 degrees on this Monday morning. There is a little bit of ice in the road. I won't lie. Yeah, it's 23 degrees on a Monday. No snow or like ice from the sky. There's definitely ice from water from the sky, but no already ice from the sky. Either way, apparently next weekend's supposed to be another weather event. We'll be updated. Not that I'm like a weatherman, but you know, like boots on the ground journalism, am I right? And I guess if we really wanted to, we could conclude the ice storm 2026 here at 34 degrees on a Monday. It's honestly been a beautiful weekend. I don't know.